Mi nome é Joaquim Nobrega, eu Brand Executive aqui na Toyota Aruba. E de parte do inteiro time de Toyota Aruba, nós queremos agradecer cada um de vocês para apresentar aqui a noite. E essa aqui é o primeiro showroom lounge que nós estamos fazendo desde que nós assinamos como Toyota Aruba. Bom manejo de Frank Deller, os Managing Director.
Joining us today on this long-awaited night. We have been through several years of challenges. A lot of some things have happened, and how appropriate that tonight we can launch a pinnacle of Toyota's passenger vehicles, the Crown. The Crown has a special meaning for even Toyota and for our island of Aruba. In 1955, when they started with mass production of the Crown, and in 1976 was the first introduction of the Crown on Aruba. We started with a MS-85. Till 2001, we sold several Crowns, and as we all know, the Crown has been a staple of the Toyota lineup. This vehicle has stylish looks. It has its own place in design, features, combining the hybrid technology of Toyota, going to the electrification and the zero emissions where all manufacturers are going to. So this is the stepping stone in Toyota's lineup going forward. And I'm proud to present the Crown.
Это масса символ экселленции, perfeição contínua, parece que para a e para os compromissos para exceder essa expectativa para o Toyota Crown. Mas era que era agradecido sa was for him único presente. Para join-nos na escola e hunting nos lugares a descobrir e celebrar o número de nível, sofisticação e integração novo de Toyota Crown para o automobilismo francês.